Sonny, get the flour.
Okay. Sorry, Spout.
Sonny, you better clean that shit up right fucking now later because we learned from mistake, right? Anyways, I'm still lazy as fuck!
Spout, what are you doing?
Baking. I'm just gonna put it in this oven I found! Wow! We did it!
How's it taste?
Tastes like shit.